When opening capillary or tube fittings, solvents may leak out. Please observe appropriate safety procedures, for example, goggles, safety gloves and protective clothing, as described in the material handling and safety data sheet supplied by the solvent vendor, especially when toxic or hazardous solvents are used. In the user interface, start the maintenance mode and select the change needle seat function. Open the front door and remove the side door. Remove the plate tray from the tray base. Push the silicone safety tube over the needle. An uncovered needle is a risk of harm to the operator. Unlock the needle tighter lock system. Loosen the loop capillary fitting on the analytical head side. Remove the loop capillary corrugated waste tube. Pinch the holder clamp, pull back and remove the needle assembly with the loop capillary from the needle carrier. Attach the 5/16" wrench to hold position at the needle assembly. Use the 4 mm wrench to loosen the fitting of the loop capillary. Do not bend the sheet metal of the needle. Pull the loop capillary out from the needle assembly.